Good afternoon from Middleton. This is a 2020 Fiat 500 1.2 star. That's a top of the range car with very high specification, which I'll show you in a moment. Some 27,000 miles, 2 owners with full Fiat service history. Bossa Nova white with these lovely cross-spoke alloy wheels. The car is in beautiful condition throughout, unmarked alloys, etc. And the previous owner had this pinstripe fitted, which is sets the car off. Typical spec on these is a multifunction steering wheel with Bluetooth and radio controls, digital dashboard, the larger screen infotainment with DAB tuner, Apple and Android CarPlay and sat-nav, air conditioning, chrome gear knob, and these very nice sculptured 500 star model seats with what they call ivory ambience. That's the ivory seat bolsters, and of course the star model has the sort of metallic matte burgundy dashboard. Very nice wheels on these. The usual LED rear lights, good size boot, it's clean inside. And just a brief look from this side in the back. All lovely condition. A fixed glass panoramic sunroof. Nice classy interior. As I say, Apple and Android CarPlay. So even though this car's got sat-nav, you can still run as an alternative Spotify or Waze, sat-nav, Google Maps, etc. It just replicates the functions of your phone onto the media screen. So that's it. That's a 2020 Fiat 500 1.2 star with 27,000 miles. Very quick seller, very high spec car, great to drive, very reasonable to run. Full details are on our website, which is middletonfiat.co.uk. That's middletonfiat.co.uk. Thanks for looking.